Good morning, good morning, good morning. So good morning, y'all, and welcome back to another video. Welcome back to another vlog. All right, y'all, so as y'all can see, I got my candles burning just to get a little vibe going in here because you know it is the holidays, so I like to burn candles. So as y'all have read by the title, I'm going to be giving y'all a Christmas tree reveal and also a cocoa bar reveal, because I made my own little hot cocoa bar and it's kind of cute, y'all, so I can't wait for y'all to see it. So yes, I'm excited, y'all. I'm excited. It's so cute, y'all. It's still a few more things that I want to add to it, but overall I like it. I love it. I think it's cute. And y'all, this video is not going to be long. I just want to give y'all a Christmas tree reveal and a hot cocoa bar reveal in this video, because today is going to be a chill day. I gotta take the kids' hair out, wash their hair, and do all of that. So today is kind of our maintenance day, getting their hair washed and doing something to it. So that's basically what we're gonna be doing today. But I'm gonna show y'all the tree and give y'all a little hot cocoa bar reveal. So we're gonna start with the tree first. Da-da. Are y'all ready? Oh, but before I show y'all the tree, let me show y'all something else. So y'all remember the little Merry Christmas sign that I had on my door? I took it off the door and I put it above the stockings. So I just put it right here above the stockings, and I think it's kind of cute. Yeah, I like it better right here. I just took it off the door because I wasn't really feeling it like that. So I just put it right here. And I like it, so I'm gonna leave it like that. All right, so now let me show y'all the tree. All right, y'all, so this is our tree. Nothing too major, something slight. So, what y'all think? So, this is the tree. All right, so this is our tree. Y'all comment down below, let me know what y'all think. So that's the tree. All right, so now I'm gonna show y'all my little cocoa bar, my little at-home DIY hot cocoa bar that I did. So I went shopping the other day and I got a bunch of holiday snacks, a bunch of stuff. And I made me a little hot cocoa bar. So I set everything up all nice and cute. So if you want a little holiday snack, all you gotta do is go over there, grab you a little holiday snack, and enjoy. And y'all, during the holidays, I always buy holiday themed snacks, like based on whatever holiday it is. So yeah, and this time I decided to do my own little cocoa bar, which I think is so cute because y'all know during the holidays, it's like you got to have a holiday snack. Like, it's mandatory, like you gotta have it. So let me show y'all. All right, y'all, so here it is. So cute. So I just moved that sign. If you watch my last video, you would see that I had this sign in the living room, but I moved it over here. So yeah, I just moved this sign over here because I decided that instead of decorating the whole house, I'm gonna just focus on the Christmas tree part and like my little hot cocoa bar. So that's like the only two spots that's like decorated. So yeah, that's what I did because I didn't really want to do too much. So this is my hot cocoa bar, y'all. And there's still a few things that I want to add to it, but you know, I can always add that whenever, you know, throughout the month. Like whenever things get low, I can always add different stuff. But this is what I got for now. Right here we have all the little syrups. We got the caramel, chocolate, strawberry. And then y'all see these little containers right here. So I got these from Dollar Tree, if you want to know. So over here we got some Oreos, we got some Christmas cakes, we got some Christmas sugar cookies and marshmallows. And then right here I just put like some little icing, gingerbread cakes, Hershey's. And then we got some cupcake icing. Oh, you know what? I'm missing something. Hold on. These right here. I only got 2 left. I had to hide them from the kids. So I'm gonna have to get some more of these, y'all. I had these right here. So I got this Lindor caramel chocolate bussin', y'all. This is some of the best chocolate ever. Oh, it is so freaking good. And then I got the Lindor milk chocolate. Y'all, when I tell y'all this is some of the best candy, it's some of the best candy. And then right here we got some candy canes in this little jar. And then we got some sprinkles and some cinnamon. And then right here I have hot chocolate. So we got marshmallow and we also got milk chocolate. And then I just put the mugs over here. So, you know, you can just grab you a mug, make you some hot chocolate or whatever. Then I just got them sitting in this little tray. So let me show y'all what the tray says. So this is what it is. So you got the words chocolate, mocha, latte. So, you know, self-explanatory. And then you got a little mug right there. So I just set them in there. So if you want to make some hot chocolate, all you got to do is grab you a little mug and you can make your hot chocolate. You got everything you need. So yeah, I got another tray, but this is for like the s'mores and stuff like that. So whenever I do have like a little fun night, like a little Christmas fun movie night or something like that, I'm gonna put the stuff in here. Obviously I can't put it in here right now because it don't have like a top to go on it, so the stuff will get stale. So I can't have nothing like sitting out in this. So that's why I put like the cakes and stuff in there, because it is packaged. But when we do like a little fun night or whatever, I can put like the s'mores ingredients and stuff in there. So yeah. But this is all I have so far. Comment down below, let me know what y'all think. So I bought the kids these little Welch's fruit snacks, and they want to show y'all what they look like.
So this is a Christmas tree. Christmas tree.
All right, so they got a Christmas tree. Which one is this, Kyra?
This.
That's a Christmas tree too?
Yeah.
So that one is an ornament. And this one is Santa Claus, y'all. What's that one, Bricky?
Santa Claus.
Santa Claus? So y'all, kids be excited about little stuff like that. So go get y'all kids some holiday snacks, okay? So that's pretty much all we're gonna be doing today. I just wanted to show y'all the Christmas tree and show y'all my little hot cocoa bar. And that's pretty much it. But before I end the video, I'm about to make me some coffee. So I'm gonna show y'all how I make my little iced coffee. I don't even have no ice. I be forgetting to get ice every time I go grocery shopping. But it's okay. It's okay. It's okay. It's nothing major, okay? The coffee is already cold. I'm about to be making some coffee in my new little cup that I had bought, cup that I got from Dollar Tree. So we're gonna make it in here. So let me show you how I make my coffee. And I usually add like the caramel around the cup, but since I don't have ice, I'm gonna just skip that step. Y'all, look at the whipped cream. It got a cute little black Santa Claus up there. I thought that was cute, so I got it. Woo, I made a mess. So, I'm gonna have to drink it like this. I wish I had a straw. I don't got no freaking straw. It's so good. It's beginning to look a lot like Christmas. Y'all comment down below y'all favorite holiday. Let me know. I'm curious. Like, I want to know.